Yesterday, CM, myself, and then Health Minister, and then our colleague Emily, Kevin Malia, and Balajit Sundar, we went to civil hospital and we did vaccination. And I would like to tell you, people, I don't know why they are scared of going for vaccination because I did it just yesterday. Nothing happened. I mean, it's a normal injection type of. I don't have any pain, nothing at all. But by doing this, I'm telling you, it will really help your, your infection to attack your body anytime, any moment when you meet people anywhere, any place. So we were given to understand by the team of doctors from health department. They already said that's how you need to do it. But of course, you have to go for 2 doses. First is yesterday, and then after 28 days again we have to go. We'll complete the dose, whatever prescribed by the government of India as well as by the World Health Organization. And I don't see any harm on it. We don't have any problem at all. So I would request all the concerned citizens of the state, I think it's time that you have to do it. Get yourself vaccinated. There is no harm, there is no problem, no reaction, nothing of that sort. See, we were the one who started this. So we started yesterday. So let us see, by next week, I think response will be there from our colleague legislators. I'm sure they will also do the same way what we have done. And why I'm saying that, as I said to you, because see, this is what ultimately health is wealth. We need to understand that. If you want to maintain your health, I think vaccination is mandatory. But there are people who does not believe on that, who does not want to do that, so we can't force them. So ultimately, it's up to the wishes of all concerned. The coverage has reached to 70% plus. So some of them, they are not willing to, about maybe 28, 29%, who still thinking of themselves whether they'll go for vaccination or not. I'm not saying that they don't, but till now it seems some of them, they are still observing. They wanted to see whether any reaction or do we have any negative impact, this, that. It seems. But we are the second, maybe the second line people who did the vaccination. So I am sure people will get encouragement to also follow the suit. Even yesterday, I asked our DHS, is there any particular cases where the reaction takes place or where people, get sick or get temperature or this, that? Nothing. Nobody gets that. You do have pain initially, maybe for one day. The pain is only just because that injection goes in. But after that, everything is normal, nothing of that sort. Because injection is what? Any injection that you give in, any vaccination you done, means you have pain. That is natural. Pain is always there. But that pain is not that much that you cannot bear, or you have to sleep at home, or you have to take a complete rest. You don't need to do that. There is no reaction at all, I'm telling you. So I encourage people, please get yourself vaccinated.